Joe friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my clubhouse. So anyway, today I'm going to tweeze my eyebrows for you guys, and this is the most simplest way ever, the most trustworthy way ever, the most I think you should feel in that space because you're like this is the best method I've ever used. And ever since, okay, I only had one person literally tweeze my eyebrows for me. Other than that, nobody else touches my eyebrows, and nobody will ever touch my eyebrows. So anyways, the only things that I'm actually going to be using are 4 items which I have with me. Firstly, guys, you really need Vaseline to like make sure that you avoid like any sort of itch or pain or whatever around like your eyebrows where you're gonna be tweezing, right? And then I've got a tweezer with me. This you can get literally any beauty store or anywhere where they sell makeup or anything that has to do with beauty. And I'm gonna need some tissue to actually keep cleaning my my tweezer every time like I remove hair or anything like that, so that I always keep my tweezer clean and to avoid anything that could cause infections for when I use it the next time. It's very important to actually keep your tweezers very clean, especially because we're gonna be using something like this, like the grease and all that. You need to remove it by all means, okay? And then, well, my camera, my mirror, so I can actually see what am I doing, because yeah, I don't really have a mirror close by. So let's get right into it. So I have already applied Vaseline on my eyebrows, so I'm going to take my brush, which I did not mention that I'll be using, to brush it up and brush it in a direction that I'll be drawing my eyebrows to see which extra hair do I have that I want to take off. So yes, after that I'm going to remove the extra hair with the tweezer that I don't want. Now that I know what shape do I want and which hair is standing out that I do not want, and because I tweeze my eyebrows every month, I can literally see with the small hair. And every time I remove hair on my eyebrows, I wipe with the tissue to avoid any grease or any mistakes that could happen. And because this is a very sharp tweezer, it's very easy for me to cut myself. So please be careful, guys. Be careful with how you use your tweezer, and always remember to clean your tweezer every time you actually remove your hair. Yes, thank you. And what I'm just going to do is to wipe off the full Vaseline off my eyebrows, so I can actually check if everything is like sitting properly and my eyebrows are shaped the way I want them to be. And one thing I really love about this tweezer is that you can tweeze your eyebrows the way you want it to be and not having to remove your whole eyebrow. Yeah, in a way to satisfy you in terms of how you're going to be drawing your eyebrows. So me, because I don't wear makeup every day, I do not remove everything. Like, I make sure that my eyebrows still look good for me to go natural. Like, I can go out like this, I don't have a problem. I look beautiful, right? Thank you. Thank you for watching. I hope you did learn a thing or two, and that this is going to be a lesson that you're going to keep forever. Because guys, once you try it, you never ever want to change the method, just like me.